Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix your Kimono Party that is not updating. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if a Kimono Party, that is a site that aggregates content from platforms like Patreon and Finshia, does not update, here are some possible causes and fixes discussed in this video. So to fix this issue, you can simply check the site status. Sometimes Kimono's party servers are under maintenance or facing downtime, which is why you can face this kind of problems. Or you can simply force refresh or clear your cache. Other thing is to simply try another browser or device, or you can even delete all the cookies from your website or web browser. Along with this, if you support a creator and want to contribute, you can also use Kimono Party Importer tool to fix this problem. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.